9 o'clock a.m. We just made several highs to 532.93 right here on the chart. I'm sorry, but we've only made a 20-cent premium high. They're still in premium about $1.20 out of this market. You just printed 30 cents above 1810 now. 1830 by 1850. Here, we've just made a 10-cent premium high, and the stock has broken out to another all-time high. This market over here, they have not printed below the 920, so they're not taking a lot out of here. This is that 530 put that we talked about, lower bids. Once again, it's about how they can take premium or steal premium away based on narrow volume breakout. Yeah, the prices are going higher, but they're not going higher and higher volume. That's why this side of the market only had a 30-cent premium from 1810 to 1840. This only broke up above here at the 530 call. Its low was 10.20. You've got $1.80 off of that low, yes, but you should be more in the neighborhood of about $13 to $13.30 in this one based on that breakout. And the reason why was it wasn't a high volume breakout. The higher the volume breakout, the higher that these call options go in premium now. And it's a lagging thing that people will never know about, so they never know when to sell into the strength. And you've made a series of higher highs. And this side of the market, the put side, we have lower bids. We gave them out in pre-market. This is finally making a low of 910. And we're not breaking the high, but we can see the 530 put that's almost $3 out of the money. There's that 533. We're going to bring this down. I'm going to pull this order down to $8 or $7.80 now. 7.80. I do know in pre-market that I gave alarms out. I do know I've adjusted them throughout the day. And this side of the market's not getting a very enough premium. I finally printed a new high in the 520 call, 1850 by 1870. The lesson learned is one that's never learned by people, is understanding the valuation of premium, valuation based on what? The price breakout in the equity. We're up $10.78 handles. The low was 527. There was a little over a $5 ratio gap of that $10.72 move. Once again, I take my MMTs right through these bid and ask, right through these breakouts, right through what the valuation is, how to interpretate what the call value is, knowing when to sell into the call value, knowing when they're taking premium away, understanding these manipulative concepts that they have, and the mechanics and the price action with higher breakouts. I'm breaking higher highs again, but I'm not breaking the higher highs on heavier volume print. When you break the higher high, you will see that we got 12 by 12.20. Once again, we've got to let it rise, but they're not giving premium. They're giving you a value higher than what you're in it, but they're not inflating the premium. We're finally going to get up here. We should have been up here at 1960 a long time ago. We finally got an 1850 high print, 40-cent premium to the second print of 1810. There's the breakout. Here's everything. Boy, this is just telling me to stay in it. I'm 0.90 ratio high, 0.88. I'm ticking to the high here. This is the MMT platform. I'm at 96 here, 77 cents a line. You can see here clearly where this breakout was off of this base. We called that base breakout. You can see right here where it started above the teeny line. Penny narrow ranges. You wait for these to get up here on higher volume, a little bit higher volume, but little higher prices. Then you can see as we continue that breakout, it's all right from here. And we just made another series of higher highs. We finally got a 1210 put on the call. Nice. We're down to 880. I canceled the 880. I put it out at 780 now. Okay, we're coming down to my price levels, but we're not reversing here. We still continue the breakout. They're starting to take a lot more premium here, but they're not giving a lot here because you only got a 1210 print. You finally got an 1888 print from 1870 to 1880 on the 520 call, and you're starting to kind of pull back, and we're putting a bottom in here, and that's where the breakout started. This is where the brain vitals are. 94, I'm high. 92, I made another high. I made a high of 533.45, and I finally got down to the 890 area by 910 on that 530 put, and the premium is still not. The premium valuation for the bid and ask is that they're still in premium. The public doesn't understand it. You got to know when to be a seller into it. Same thing over here. These premiums are $1 well below the bid and ask. period.